Okay, we came, we saw, we live streamed. Welcome to another edition of the forever, I guess, track towards a truly LLM powered game. We have Emily.
Hello.
Yes. So let me actually test out. Let me check ourselves on YouTube real quick to see if the resolution and everything's okay.
Yep.
Zigzag AI going live. Okay. I think I now begin to understand the difference between a low-speed internet and a high-speed internet. Yeah, it looks perfect.
Why?
Actually.
Okay, from my end, I'm seeing 10,000 kbps, 60 FPS,
Oh, yeah. Yes,
and
that's the difference. Oh my God! Like when I live stream, I only got like 2,500K. I think that's the difference. Anyway, it's super clear. But just in case, if you could just make the text one size bigger. I think one size will suffice.
right.
Okay. And now, well, yeah, I also need to, because I'm traveling and my internet is
Right. So I'll start a live share session for you.
Yes, that's exactly what I meant.
Cool. Everything is just a bit slower now. Bear with me for 1 second. I will share you the link.
I forgot about the live session live stream. So yeah, we're just gonna do it now on the fly.
Cool. I made the terminal read-write access for you as well. So once you join, it should just all work.
Okay. To refresh our own memory, so what are we doing today?
It's been so long, to be honest. Were we still tweaking the prompt?
I think so. Okay.
Oh, I vaguely remember we're testing instructor.
That's correct, because we discovered the discrepancy between, the single test example where the instructor works perfectly and when we were using instructor on our own, it was not kind of working.
Mm-hmm.
So I would suggest just to build upon what is already working until it doesn't. So maybe we just kind of expand upon that example until we kind of get it to work within kind of more of a real example. Real example meaning
Okay.
specifically from the character worker, like a testing out an actual prompt from the character worker.
Let's see.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry for the last question.
So maybe we can fully the live share session working for you?
Yep, it is. I can see you.
Cool. Let's see. So
Are you able to
if
run
we
instructor?
go run instructor,
Sorry, the instructor.test.ts. Were you able to run it successfully last time?
yes.
Okay.
I think if we cd game run ts, oh man, it is so slow. I've never had it this slow before. Jeez.
Now,
Where is that file?
now you understand what I deal with every time. But yeah, the solution is just to sort of dedicate the live stream part to a separate machine or something.
Yeah, I think the good part is at least this whole thing is running on my 𝗤𝗏. It's really just me SSH into it being slow.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah,
Are you
works.
SSHing from remote?
No, it's 𝗤𝗏0.
Local IP address.
Yes.
Then shouldn't be slow. Okay, never mind.
Okay, yeah, the test case is working.
Now, we needed some kind of prompt, right? So I think the easiest way is to let me actually check my live.dev history and see if I can just copy and paste the prompt to you. Because
Okay.
were you running these sessions or was I running these sessions? I don't remember exactly.
Live.dev.
Live one. Okay. So I was I had some sessions before. Okay, give me a second. I better pick some long sessions that ran successfully for a while because I think the ones with the errors were coming later, errors coming later in later scenes and episodes. Okay, I think this is a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Prompt. Oops. So this is one that was run for action prompt. Okay, I have this, but I realized there's no way that for me to copy it. Oh, that's not bad. That's not good.
If you go to inspect, are you able to see the HTML and copy from there?
Yeah, but then it's not a complete JSON.
Oh.
You know what? Let me try one thing. Maybe I can just get this from the network tab. Yeah, I think I should be able to do this. So whenever I click on a specific data point, it gives the network tab. It will actually go in and store as a global variable. Sure.
Nice.
Huh. Copy object, and then I try to dump that to you.
I guess you can directly dump it into VS Code.
Okay, that's a good point. Exactly. Exactly. It's kind of annoying. Okay, let me try to escape it. Oh, I know why. Because temp1 is already a string, I think. Oh no, it's not. JSON string file.
Do you have to string file or JSON.parse?
No, string. I got a string file from my local browser console.
Ah.
Give me 1 second. I'm almost there.
Mm-hmm.
What the? Oh. How come global? Okay, replace all. It's not working. What? What's going on? I tried different text editor. All right. I'm gonna dump this back now. If you can see my thing.
Yeah, I can see you const prompt missing an O.
If I do a format, are you able to format the document? Because if I do format document, it doesn't work and do anything to me.
I can, but I think there's something wrong with your array.
Oh.
Actually, never mind. Yeah,
All right,
it
so
is formatted.
This is our test case. Let me just test this out and see what happens. This is like from 2 weeks ago, so it might be a little outdated.
Okay.
But either way.
Are you still editing?
No, I'm done.
Okay. How do I unfollow you? Okay. is our, so now I will just replace this with
line 70.
Sorry?
Line 70.
Line 70. Oh, yeah, it shouldn't be extract data. It should be, wait one sec. I am very confused.
You just gotta replace line 70 with a new prompt. That's it. Messages, just replace that with a new giant array of things.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, should be okay.
Is this function being called? Replace the part in
Wait.
extract
How
data.
come there's one line 105 as well?
Yeah, so there's 3 test cases here actually.
Okay.
I believe the right one to replace is this.
All right.
Okay. I probably need to move this. Would it be complaining I called it before defining prompt?
Just to be safe, you can just move the prompt to the place before it's called. But in general, if it's in the function, inside a function, I think it's okay. If the caller is inside the function, I think it's okay.
Okay. Anyway, I'll just move it
Okay.
to be safe. Okay. Let me format this bit. Oh man, I've never seen my laptop so slow before. Very funny experience.
You never know if you don't stretch yourself to the limit. Wait, so was it working or not?
I think it's working. It's still working. Okay, so it is done. Let's see what it generated.
Right. Was it saved? Would it save it anywhere?
Sorry, what do you mean by save?
It just console logs it, but like the problem with console logging is that you cannot see the stuff like 2 layers down. Like it's just gonna say array, and you cannot see anything.
So I guess we could do JSON stringify.
Either that or just dump it to a file. Either is fine.
Sure. I think I'll remove the intermediate logging.
The intermediate logging?
Yeah, because it is in stream mode. So let's output.txt. It should take about a couple of seconds to execute. Let's see. Actually, it may be easier just to open the previous file. Next activities.
Hey,
So
what was?
the combination.
Yeah, exactly. And give like two indentation and whatnot.
Yeah. So let's redo it.
All right. So this is completely working. What went wrong?
So we have subject, thinking, message, reflection, next activities. Is it supposed to output next activities?
Yeah, it's one of these versions. It's from like 2 weeks ago. It depends on how the prompt is written. But at a certain point, I kind of was fudging words, and at a certain point, I did change it to next activities.
I
Because
see.
I guess none of that actually matters. And was that Llama 3?
I believe so. Let's see. Let me just double check to confirm. Model name. Yes, Llama 3.
And it was fast.
It's okay. Like at this point, it's really hard to tell for me because everything I do is very buggy. Um,
Fair.
but I think it's not slow.
All right. Let's examine two things. Or number one, um, the prompt itself, especially the last message, and let's examine the state of things.
Okay.
I guess line 46.
Line 46.
If it's easier, by the way, you could enable word wrap. That's that's.
Okay.
Oh, so it was the pet example.
So I think we were looking at. Holy cow! How long is this?
One
Last.
thing, for one thing, that's not too bad, but you know. The store is
Okay.
bustling with customer and pets. Oh yeah, this is our pre. We gave this to Edge, and it has a ROM for at this point for like three three rounds. So
Mhm.
the pet store scene, by the way, also yeah has a lot of props, a lot. So walk to round two, jump, blah blah blah, round two. Wait, where is the recent activity log? Yawn, Jackie, walk to -1, Jackie talk. Hello, Morgan. I see you are new to pet ownership. Let me offer some tips on training your dog. Jackie examines training book. Yeah, it's not too bad. Guy, Morgan, I can't resist butting in. I've had my dog for years. Let me share some tips. Yeah, the conversation kind of stupid, but yeah, it works. It works. And then okay,
Cool.
let's check the results. So what exactly did it generate?
At least the schema is correct, I think.
At least the schema is correct.
Yeah, I mean, you have the subject, next activities.
All right. It has some meta
Where's
stuff that
the message again?
this didn't generate anything. It just it generates an empty message. Okay, that's still problematic.
Yeah. Hmm.
Can you run it again? Let's see.
Absolutely.
Okay. Nope. So it's kind of broken at this point.
What is it supposed to do?
Well, it's supposed to generate a message.
It sort of did a message here.
Right, and it's empty.
Yeah, although line 11 is not empty.
Wait, what do you mean line 11? Okay, but the message is generated is empty.
Yeah, I mean, the overall message is empty. It has a separate act called talk.
Oh,
So
by the
line
way,
11,
the schema. Okay, it might be because the schema we fed into the instructor is not consistent with the schema in the example. That could be the case.
let's see.
This is from 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure what exact kind of schema we were using at the time. So we are expecting.
I'm trying to import the schema. Character output schema.
Right. So this is using the latest character output schema, but does the prompt actually support that?
Okay, that might be the case. So if we look for next activity, oh, it looks okay.
What about the examples? The few shot examples?
Let's see. Uh, oh wait. Use each subject allowed activity once.
No. I
Next
mean line 29.
line 29. Let me just follow you.
Line 29. Yeah. So in the next activities, subject, the reflection, next activities. This is outdated. Didn't we kind of flatten out the thing? Because if you go to character output schema, it's a different now. Subject, thinking, message.
Right. We flattened it out, so it is kind of confusing.
Now, I think the easiest thing to do is because you were running, you were can you go to your live.dev and see if I extract some latest wrong session, like some kind of prompt from the latest wrong sessions? I think it was you were driving last time, was it? Were you? Because I was not able to find anything more recent.
I actually have goldfish memory, but let me go to live.dev.
Right, because you modified the schema, right? If you modify schema, then the last time you run would be you on your dashboard.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Wait one sec. Is this supposed to be this slow?
Not really. Mine is loading okay, so I think it's your computer.
Oh man, seriously. Let me go to network tab. Okay. Am I supposed to be logging into dev?
I'm not sure what that means.
Okay, so this is something I ran. Okay, so that last time I ran it.
Was 2 weeks ago. Oh, that's the workflow test? Oh, sure. Yeah, okay. Maybe it's about right. So yeah, maybe open that up. And then or actually, you know what? Let me just try to run it one more time on my own machine. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Do I have the latest?
By the way, if you want, you can run it on my.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. 'Cause there's like gigantic delay right now. Okay, hold on.
Wait, even for you, I thought my delay is bad enough.
Delay for me to run in your terminal. That's what I mean.
Oh, okay.
Right. So ready agent 1. And check if I have the latest. I think I
What
do.
happened to the data points?
What happened to the what?
Like the data points, I can't get any data points to show up. Oh my gosh, my laptop is driving me crazy. It's
Okay,
so
laggy.
laggy. Okay, found one.
So if I just run straight, oh, I can't. I cannot because I don't have a GPU. Oh, you know what? Let me remote into my own machine and try it. It's so convoluted.
I know. Uh, Actually, give me 1 minute. I am gonna BRB.
Okay. Okay then. You can't quite see my screen. I'm talking to live streamers, but people watching. Actually, nobody's watching. But
Are you using my remote session?
no, I'm remoting into my own GPU tower right now.
Okay. I think if you can just copy a prompt, that should be fine.
If I just what?
Copy over a prompt. That's what
Right.
you're looking for, right?
I'm trying to find a fresh prompt. Okay, run a session, which will be logged into live.dev, and then I can just copy and paste the latest prompt. That's what I'm trying to do. I think, and then for me, then right now, the easiest path is to just do it on my dev machine. You obviously cannot see what I do, but I'm doing stuff. Trust me, bro. I'm an engineer. Your branch is behind by 144 commits.
Wait, mine?
No, mine. In my tower.
Okay.
I'm gonna run this now. All right, I'm gonna run this now. src server src/server/ liveflow.conversation.test.dn.
Cool, I'm back.
Error, cannot find my, oh yeah, sure. Okay, I think I'm getting fresh data.
Nice.
Got a Zod error, which is kind of expected. Hold on a second. Okay, got the prompt. Got a prompt. JSON.stringify temp1.data. Then I'm gonna dump this back into the your session. I'm gonna replace the old prompt with a new one.
Okay. I think you might wanna, yeah, go to here.
Oh, you following me? Okay.
Yes.
This. That. Oh.
What's happening?
What is this? Gotta do a little bit of pre-processing first. Give me a second. Console log JSON stringify this. Yep, console logging this. And then copy the whole thing. And then dump it. Yeah, this will work. Can you format this for me? Because I cannot. I don't think it works for me.
Yes. Cool. It's already being formatted.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Can you run this? Because the terminal, I got an incredible delay by operating on a terminal.
Let me just close down a couple of irrelevant files.
Mm-hmm.
Is this still running?
Well, if it's just slow, then we got another problem. But that was slow. Okay, let's check. What?
What the heck is this?
What the heck is it?
This is very weird. Why is it trying to output a JSON schema?
Maybe that's part of the output of the instructor, like metadata and whatnot.
I
So that part
don't
maybe
think so. It's their action type JSON.
see, hold on. There's some synchronization issues with the. Hold on. So inside of action, wait, I can't quite see. Wait, you're following. You can unfollow me and then follow you.
Okay. So basically, your character output schema should be action type subject thinking message. So in the output, you do have the action, but it is trying to output a schema, which is very, very weird. Yeah, so you see action, target, subject, thinking, all of those are on the same level. why it's failing.
Hold on, I'm so confused. I cannot see output.txt right now for some reason. It gives me an empty file. Sorry,
really?
what's happening?
Let me try closing it and reopening it.
Yeah, let me follow you.
This will be my machine, to be honest. One sec. Here, do you see output.txt?
But it's empty. Okay, never mind.
Wait, this is... you know what? Let me just close it and rerun it.
All right.
Plus, the previous result was super wonky as well. Doesn't hurt to just rerun it.
Okay.
Okay, are you able to see now?
Let me check. Still empty. Oh, it doesn't matter, to be honest, really. Let me just see your screen. Let me look at your screen. So this time around, action is okay, message is okay, message is no, and it gives this weird response JSON schema. Kind of broken.
Even Meta says it's valid.
What? Oh wait, hold on. What? No. What are we outputting exactly? What are you printing out?
Let me go back to prompt. So based on these, it should be generating subject thinking, add target message.
And right, the examples look fine. So but then okay, let's see what is being wrong actually here. So a character worker test is the thing we're running.
Yeah.
And we passing the prompt final output. Okay, we're actually getting a final output. Character output schema. And the example we give to it, role assistant content subject. Emily thinking, okay, this is correct. This is correct.
You know what? Let me try one thing. If I
the instruction, line 21, fill in the following JSON schema. What? This makes no sense. What was this? It's actually filling in a JSON schema as per instructed, I think. Hold on one second.
True. So maybe it should be based on the context provided.
Produce a JSON. Just maybe do like, okay, let me try this. And then change the schema of the JSON. This is not schema. Let's try the shape of the JSON, something like that. I think this part is confusing, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe this, and then we can try this again.
Okay. Are you done editing?
Yep.
All right, let me try again. I'm gonna completely remove this file. Hopefully, I will solve the empty file issue for you. Okay. What the heck is this? Action Ask Morgan.
Huh.
Some improvement. At least it's not trying to populate a JSON schema.
Okay. I think we this is just kind of stretching it, and it's kind of confused. So it's exhibiting the same behavior as we like, because it failed validation and whatnot. I think the small model is just utterly confused. Let's simplify this.
Action.
Let me try something real quick.
Okay.
I want to see if it makes any difference. Okay, we're using this kind of dialogue approach to do few shots, which I don't think is. I've never seen something like this before. I just made it up myself, which I don't have a high confidence in. So let me just change this bar to collapse this into a one prompt.
One system prompt.
Yep, one prompt. All right, let me check example one. Example two. Just to be sure. And an example two. All right, and then collapse this into just one thing.
By the way, shouldn't your end of example one goes after the first existent response?
Come again?
You have end of example 1 after the user prompt, but shouldn't it be after existent response? Yeah.
Yeah, good point. Good point. Example 2, likewise.
Holy cow, how are you just editing a giant string like this? It would drive me crazy.
I don't know. I'll try my luck. I don't know. And the example 2. Oh, this is correct. Now, this. All right. That should be working. Okay. Let's try.
Alrighty, let me close this file, rerun it. Okay, if we don't know. Nope, I don't think it helped.
Oh, this is totally
It
broken.
even brought back JSON schema again.
Did we mention anything about schema? Oh, no. We didn't say anything about schema. Okay. All right. So, okay, let me undo everything we did. I don't think this matters. All right. So,
there is one small thing I kind of want to try.
all
Have
right.
you done reverting the changes?
I did. I done.
Let's see. Okay, if I provide one shot example and then let it try to fill up the Frodo case. See if it works. Put up TXT. Action, target, subject, thinking, message. X. So why is this not a valid JSON? Character output schema. So action. Action target. Oh, target should be a string. However, target here. Target here is not a string. So does that mean in the example I gave it, see, position. So maybe the position is confusing it. What if I do 0, 0? And this will just be 0, 5. And then I would also need to change it to 3, 2. 3, 2. And then this will be 1, 5. Alrighty. Hopefully it will work this time. It's valid true. Okay. So at least for the Frodo example, it can complete a valid schema.
Wait, what do you mean the photo example?
So, you see I did out the second.
But then it's just talking about like shops in the system and stuff. Wait, am I seeing outdated file again?
I hope
Let
not.
me see your screen. Let me see your screen. Yeah, can you open output.txt again? Because I was following you, I still see shops and stuff from output.txt. Okay. Okay.
So this is
That
the
is
latest
correct.
generated. Yeah. So it looks like by changing position into string, it can somehow get it to work. Now, if we try to bring back this actual, oh man, I am gonna go blind doing this. -1, -1. So this will be a template. This is 5, 5. This is 2, 2.
So the idea is to replace our position with the string. Okay,
I think it might help.
Let me try to do it from bottom up.
0, 10. 5, 3. If there's any audience there, apologies for the tedious grunt work.
That's what we do.
-2.
No need to apologize.
3, -1.
Coding is boring most of the time.
-1, -5. 2, 2. 6, minus 3 negative 4, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 3 4, 4 1, 6 6, 1 2 negative 2 3, 7. Okay.
I think so.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me just do a spot check. I think there's a missing parenthesis here. Position, why is the parenthesis inside the array? Okay. Looks about right. Let me just do another check. Everything should be highlighted, hopefully. Good. Alrighty, let's try again. Huh.
What happened?
It is a valid JSON.
What the heck? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. So it's okay. Wow. But why? Okay, where does that intuition come from? I don't get it. What difference does it?
Remember, so one of the trial, everything else was generated as expected, except for target, where it output a X and Y object.
Uh-huh.
So that's why I thought maybe it's still kind of confused about the expectation for target, even though you told it to do a square bracket XY. All the positions you provided were in an object type of format.
Okay.
Yeah. Not sure if that was the perfect solution, but got it to work.
What I fail to understand though is just this one simple change, and it just stopped outputting like crazy JSON schema and whatnot. That seems incredibly
I think the system prompt. Yeah, like changing the system prompt to remove the part where it was talking about JSON schema definitely helps.
Right, but remember, like after I changed the wording, it still kind of was outputting JSON schema. Was it not?
I guess it's just the last straw to break camel's back.
All right. All right. Okay, we're kind of running out of time, so next time let's just apply this change back to the action worker.
All right. Cool. And let me just push this before I forget.
Sure.
Git. I do the git. Yes. Working prompt. All right.
Okay.
Cool.
Do you know how to stop?
Conclude.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Do I click on stop streaming first?
Yeah, you do click on stop streaming, and the other part will kind of naturally stop live streaming. And then on my end, I'm gonna just end the live stream after 1 minute.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.